No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the laws. Right against unlawful search and seizures. Right to privacy of communication and correspondence. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances. Freedom of religion. Liberty of abode and the right to travel. Right to information. Right to assembly and association. Section number 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation. Section number 10. No law shall be impairing the obligation of contract shall be passed. Section number 11. Free access to court for the poor. Section number 12. Miranda rights. Section number 13. Right to bail. Section number 14. Right to due process. Section number 15. The privilege of the right of habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in cases of invasion or rebellion when the public safety requires it. Section number 16. All persons shall have the right to a speedy disposition of their cases before all judicial, quasi-judicial, or administrative bodies. Section number 17. No person shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. Section 18, number 1. No person shall be detained solely by reason of his political beliefs and aspiration. Section 18, number 2. No involuntary servitude in any form shall exist, except as a punishment for a crime whereof the party shall have been duly convicted. Section 19, number 1. Excessive fine shall not be imposed, nor cruel, degrading, or inhuman punishment conflicted. Neither shall that penalty be imposed, unless for compelling reasons involving heinous crime, the Congress hereafter provides for it. Any that penalty already imposed shall be reduced to reclusion perpetua. Section 19, number 2. The employment of physical, psychological, or degrading punishment against any prisoner or detainee, or raised of substandard or inadequate penal facilities under subhuman conditions shall be dealt with by law. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned for debt or non-payment of a poll tax. Section 21. No person shall be twice put in jeopardy of punishment for the same offense. If an act is punished by a law in an ordinance, conviction or acquittal under either shall constitute a bar to another prosecution for the same act. Section 22. No ex post facto law or bill of attainder shall be enacted.